Hey there, I'm here to talk about what it takes to be a top facility manager. You know, it's not just about keeping the lights on and the floors clean, it's about anticipating, organizing, and empowering. Let's dive into how you can excel in this dynamic role. First off, great facility managers are essentially time travelers. They think ahead. Instead of being reactive, always putting out fires, they focus on preventing them. Imagine this. You're not just checking equipment randomly, but you have a schedule, a system that flags potential issues before they become actual problems. It's all about staying 2 steps ahead. Now, organization is your best friend. Having a clear picture of what your team is working on and what tasks are coming down the pipeline is crucial. Think about it like being a conductor of an orchestra. Every section knows their part. Every note is accounted for, leading to a flawless performance. This means having a well-organized task list, a calendar that speaks volumes, and most importantly, clarity in communication. Moving on, a standout trait of top-tier facility managers is their readiness for anything. While good managers might hope for the best, the great ones prepare for the worst. Say your HVAC system goes down. Instead of panicking, you've already got a contingency plan ready to roll. You know exactly who to call, what to check, and how to get things back on track swiftly and efficiently. Lastly, the true mark of a great facility manager is how they empower their team. It's not about micromanaging, but equipping your team with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed. Imagine leading not by commanding, but by coaching. You're there to guide, to inspire, to push your team to think independently and make smart decisions. When they succeed, it's a reflection of your leadership. So, to all the aspiring facility managers out there, remember to stay proactive, keep things organized, be prepared for the unexpected, and empower your team. Trust me, these elements don't just make a good manager, they make a great one. Thanks for tuning in. Keep pushing the boundaries and keep up the great work.